Level 7 slab. First step decking, vertical concreting, ACS system, auto climbing system, ACS, foam finish concrete of core wall. This cutout point, surveyor location. Perfect decking with levelness. After that, immediate starting MEP work. We are using conical sleeves for chilled water riser, firefighting, ducting, drainage, LPG riser, water supply. See this conical sleeves. It will be easy to remove and reuse also. Slipping out of all this pull-out bar for splicing with rebar bar, slab bar. Bottom layers already started, D1. We are doing all staircases along with slab so that there will be no separate access required, temporary access required. This is the permanent access. Static pump cutout. That's vertical. T25. That's couplers. In slab, all these links, stirrups, MEP conduit, separation. This ready-made toilet pod, we are using it. So this is the template, metal template. This is conventional slab. See, cleaning, splicing, lapping. See. In that electrical room, see this MEP conduits, means electrical conduit with proper separation, no congestion of steel. This is welding blanket, creamer bar, MEP conduit cap. Same time, this vertical are ready. Perfect D1, D2, D1, D2, D bottom additional, top additional. Trimmer bar, vertical stirrup set down in section of slab. Balcony races template 40 mm down, and then upstand for railing, balcony railing. These are very important facade inserts at edge of the slab, and we are keeping this cover so that it will not filled by concrete. Facade channel fixing. Facade inserts progress going on. They are fixing that facade channel on PT chairs. Taking going on. Ready-made toilet pot will be picked here in apartment, and therefore this races, 70 mm races has been given to accommodate that drain pipe. Static pump, this prop and tripod at external area. See this support in one line. Housekeeping, staircase decking. This is the power float finish of slab. These conical sleeves are covered by circular ply. Horizontal curing of slab by water, gunny bags. 2 days before the slab poured, 7 days curing. The 4-wall cover block, cover rod, they are preparing on site. Shutter cleaning, foam release agent application, maintenance, MEP points, everything properly written, water base, foam release agent. This is electrical point. They are fixing directly on shutter so that it will imprint on concrete wherever these electrical boxes will come. Support ACS system and platforms, 3 platforms. Just showing that housekeeping below slab level. See this conical sleeve, it will be covered like this for safety purpose. Electrical conduit protection. This cantilever supports and beams, I sections, slab decking. 3 below levels will be prop. 3 below levels. See all material management. This is platform. Now we are on level 6 and level 1 and level 2. Surface preparation. MEP work. They already started this fresh air duct, FAD, drainage pipe, LPG, condensation drainage pipe.
ओके दूसरा ये काम पावर नहीं रेडी काम वो आके होगा
Thank you. This is the full site information of RCC substructure and superstructure.